Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy Maggi, updated. Start by boiling water and adding Maggi noodles for 2 minutes until slightly soft, then drain while saving a 1/4 cup of starchy water. Return noodles to the pan, add the tastemaker and a splash of milk, and gently fold to combine. Use the reserved water to loosen the sauce until it becomes luxuriously creamy and silky. To upgrade texture, grate a mild cheese and stir it into the hot noodles until it melts into a smooth sauce, then add a small knob of butter for extra silkiness. If you like herbs, sprinkle chopped cilantro or spring onion at the end to lift the flavors. Taste and adjust seasoning with a tiny pinch of salt or pepper, remembering that the tastemaker already adds saltiness. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tasty tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your kitchen to life with music and timers, a fun companion while you cook. I've linked it and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. For bold flavors, add a splash of soy sauce or a drizzle of chili sauce to the pan and mix well, which gives the creamy Maggi more depth and balance. Toss in quickly roasted vegetables like bell pepper or corn to add body, color, and nutrition without diluting creaminess. Stir gently and taste as you go, adjusting the tang, salt, and heat until the dish suits your preferences perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.